Hello kids, good morning. Hope you are doing well and try to do the homework that more students and only few students are sending the homeworks, but I am requesting you that try to send the homework much of you. Okay. So now today I'm going to start a new chapter 6, and the topic is division. Topic is division. So division. Just last topic it was multiplication. Multiplication in the sense multiple means always it is greater, more. Always it will be increasing. That is called multiplication. Multiply. But division in the sense, what do you mean by division? So division means suppose that there is one plot or your garden. Okay, and you are playing here. You four friends, you are playing here. But there is some more friends came, and they too want to play here. So what your father did, your father make the division, make the division of this plot. So division means you are playing this much area. Now it is going to be divided like this. Suppose you are six friends now, so your father is going to divide in this manner that you two can play here only. Okay, so earlier you are playing in the whole area. Now it has to become smaller. That is the meaning of division. It is divided into three parts. Now two of you have to play here. Okay, two you have to play here. So division means it has become smaller. Earlier you are playing in this much area. Now earlier only you two were there. Now six friends are here now. So that's why your father divided here in the three parts, first part, second part, third part, and you two are playing here. So here your face is becoming sorrow. Okay, sorrow, because now you are getting the less space. So division means it is coming always less. Whatever you had, now it has become less. Now one more. Suppose that there are 24 chocolates were there. 24 chocolates were there, and in the morning your mother is going to give you 24 chocolates. You are very happy. You woke up and you are thinking, I am going to get 24 chocolates. Okay, but by that time your two more friend has come. Now yourself and two more friend has come. So total how many you are? 3. Now all 24 chocolates your mother has to divide into 3 groups. Yourself and your two more friends. Earlier you are going to get all 24 chocolates, all 24 chocolates. But now here you will get only like this. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8. This is for you. Again, one more friend. Your mother distributed like this. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, and to another friend. So here is how many chocolates? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, 24. So now each of you getting 8, 8. But earlier you thought that I will get 24. So this is the meaning of division. It will come down. Always the your that this is called 24 chocolate were there and divided into how many groups? Into 3 groups, and in each group how many chocolates are there? 8. Okay, so 24 chocolates. In the morning you thought you will get the 24 chocolates, but now it is divided into 3 groups. 2 more friend has come, so now you are going to 80, so you are getting less. So this is the meaning of division. Division means always you will get less, it will come down. Okay, so 24 divided by 3 divided by 3 is 8. Again here sorrow face. Sometimes you may get happy face also, because that suppose that 16 chocolates were there, okay, and is going to be divided into 4 groups. Okay, so 4 groups, so you will get 4 chocolate only, but 2 friend has left, so now it is divided into 2 groups only, so now you will get more. Okay, like this also some happy moment also there, but here 24 chocolate was there. In this you are getting 8 chocolate. So this 24 is called as dividend. Whatever you have, that is called dividend, and now divided into how many groups? That is called divisor. Divided into how many groups? And the answer is called quotient. The answer is known as quotient. Okay, so like this in earlier classes also, in class 2, yeah, so many in like this figure was there and you are divided into like this. So this here also one page is there. I will give you homework, do that one. Okay, so this is the meaning of division. Okay, so division means that it will come down. Okay, so divisions actually we can show in this method also. In this method also. So I shown you 24 chocolates, and now suppose that giving 8 chocolates to each friend. So 24 minus 8, 14 minus 8 is 6, and here 1. Again from 16, 8 gone, 8. Again from 8, 8 gone, 0. So like this we are repeating again and again. From 24, 8 gone, 16. From 16 again 8 gone, 8. From 8 again 8 gone, it has become 0. So this is called, you again and again you are subtracting, so it is called repeated subtraction. I taught you like that. Multiplication is a repeated addition, but division is a repeated subtraction. You see that? Repeated subtraction. And whenever the remainder is 0 here, whenever you will get 0, then only it means you can divide completely. Otherwise, you cannot divide. Okay. So this is called repeated subtraction. Division is called repeated subtraction. Division is called repeated subtraction.